just been told to love myself.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day outside and I am going to do some gardening, but before I do that I'm going to settle down in the kitchen as promised to give you my recipe on the ketogenic pancakes. So for all you keto lovers and all you keto followers, if you're interested to see how I make my version of the keto pancake, please keep watching. So all you're going to need today is 2 cups of coconut flour with 4 teaspoons of organic baking powder, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of almond milk. You can use coconut milk if you want to, and some olive oil. So all we have to do first is put in the almond milk and then about 1/3 cup of the olive oil. Move those to the side. Break in the eggs. This is a very simple recipe to make, and then all we do is whisk until you get a nice batter going. So I've made alfatayir. So this is a keto recipe. It's low carb, no sugar, good fat of olive oil, and easily to digest and very yummy to eat. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed watching me make some ketogenic pancakes, which I'm going to have now for breakfast. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.